Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to export selected object. As example, I will add objects into these drawings on Blender. You can click add, mesh, and I will use cylinder. So I will move this cylinder into this point. Next we insert again like for can object, and I will move into right axis. Now, if you want to export selected object, you need to select the object. Like I will select the cylinder object, and you can click File, go to Export. Like I will export into STL extension file. The next, you need to check for select only in here. You can change the name, select for example, and then you can click Export STL to export the single object. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorials how to export selected objects. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.